The subject of this video is Microsoft Loop. Grab your coffee and let's get started. You can access Loop by opening your browser, going to the Microsoft waffle, and then searching on Loop, and then selecting it. You can also download Loop from the App Store. The Start page will display your workspaces, and it also enables you to sort and view workspaces. It enables you to create a workspace. Let's create a workspace. Click on the plus over to the right, and let's enter a name for the workspace. You can select an icon if you like. It's completely optional. You can also share the workspace now with someone if you like, or you can also skip that if you don't have anyone in mind at the moment. Once you've clicked Next, you will see the Create Workspace button, and to the right some documents. You can add documents or associate them with the workspace. Once you click Complete, you'll then have a workspace with a page. At the bottom, you'll have access to the template gallery. These templates are pre-baked and help you quick start the creation of your workspace. So there's templates here for projects, troubleshooting, brainstorming, research, all sorts of templates. Get to know them. They'll help you get started. The sidebar navigation enables you to look through recent changes. Also, it enables you to view workspaces. You can click on the workspace. You can sort the view. You can create a new page or a link from here. The sorting is by tree or activity. Up above, you can look at notifications. So if you have any mentions or notifications, you can search. You can enter a search for a particular item, and you can also minimize the navigation bar. The page layout enables you to add components, text. You can activate the functionality of the page by just clicking on the page, entering a backslash. We'll get into that later. Upper right area, you can sort and view. You can share with a workspace, a component, or a link. And you've got your settings, your version history, delete. Loop provides several templates that help you kickstart the build-out of your workspace and pages. So create a new workspace, then click Continue, and then just create workspace. And now at the bottom, you'll see Template Gallery. There's several templates you can work with. I would suggest clicking through the templates, getting a sense of their layout and functionality, and then use them in your day-to-day as you create your Loop workspaces and pages. So just select a template and then click on Use the Template. Let's take a look at components. So go to a workspace and a page, and then let's just type in some text. We can see that just to get started, you can just type anywhere, add some text. Now, page down, hit the backspace, and notice the components will be displayed. And here we've selected a action item list. Now hit the backspace again, and you can just enter some text if you want. Hit the backspace again. And then let's go down and create a task list. So here's a component for creating a task list. You can provide titles of the task. You can assign people to it. You can set due dates. So the functionality here is quite extensive. And on the back end, people are getting notifications to their phone that they've been assigned tasks or they've been mentioned. And we're going to cover that a bit later in this video. Let's add a voting table. So a vote for, which beach is the nicest. I don't know if you're a beach goer, but I've been to beaches all over the world, and my two favorite beaches are Siesta Key down in Sarasota, and the other is Manly Beach in Australia. So you can add pros and cons. So the controls help you format your content quickly, but with a simple click. And it's also active content. So what that means is the content's intelligent. So if you assign a task, it's automatically going to notify someone that they have a task assigned. Or if you've mentioned them on the page, then they're going to get a notification that they've been mentioned on the page. So you can trigger people to act and come to your pages and your workspaces to work this way as well. So to add a page with a template, just click on plus, new page, enter a title for the page, scroll down, click on the template gallery, and select the template. There's several there. I would suggest taking a look through the different templates. Once you select the template that you want to use, then just click on use this template. It's that easy. To share, select your workspace, your page, click on share, and then you can select workspace, page link, or components. And then you'll be presented with the sharing page, and it's the same page you would see in OneDrive or SharePoint. So from here, you would select people in your tenant, individuals, you enter their email address, and then you would click apply, and whether or not they can edit or just view. Reactions are like the social media icons and comments and likes and dislikes that you see in Facebook and other social media applications. So this enables readers, people that are co-authoring, to make comments throughout the document, make mental notes, provide feedback. Notifications provide alerts, for lack of a better word, about content changes, tasks, notifications within documents. So the notification center is in the upper left area, and also the notifications are sent via email to the person's phone. So you have updates about documents you're working on, tasks that are due, tightly integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem. Works very well. Loop is a great product. For someone that has used OneNote or WordPress and you're looking for an alternative, then Loop is definitely something you should look at and integrate into your daily workflows. Hope you enjoy. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.